It's very important that you do have the largest version of this image. If I open up image size, option Command I right here, this dialog box will tell us this image is almost 5,000 pixels by almost 3,000 pixels. It's 41.5 megabytes. Do you have that image? If you do, let's proceed. If you don't, go back and get the right image, okay? So now we want to crop with this point. We need to select geometry. And I tried it here. I tried it in different spots, and I found this gave us the most interesting image. And for you, if you're using a different image, this is going to be a little more complex. So I really strongly urge you to try to use this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit, hold down the space bar, then hold down Command, and just pull this up, move this up with just the space bar. And I want to just get this part of the image in focus because this is what we want. Then grab the crop tool. You can hit the letter C or click on the crop tool. And notice that I have 1 by 1 square. There are lots of different choices here. So if you don't have that, go ahead and click on that. And we want to end up with a 5,000 pixel square image. And it is possible to set the crop tool to crop 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. But I'm not certain that that will give us the highest quality version of our image. So my strategy to zoom in didn't work, as you can see. So I'm going to Command 0 to zoom back out so I can see everything. Here's the center of our crop. Don't move that. Don't move that point. Just start dragging in. And we want to get this, I'm going to go straight down now. We want to get this as close as possible to that point as we can without moving off the bottom of this edge. So now we're going to go ahead and hold the space bar and then the Command key. If you do it in that order, you don't get spotlight. Okay, and zoom in and then click once. And that way we're telling Photoshop, hey, we're in the middle of a crop, but I have the image selected. So if I want to move the image over, I can click and drag, trying to get it to that point. And then I can use the arrow tools to just nudge that image ever so slightly into position. And I know you're thinking, what does it matter? Well, it matters a whole bunch, as you will see in when we apply the zoom, that we do have that geometry perfectly selected. Then Command 0 to zoom back out to make sure we're not selecting part of, our crop isn't off our image. And then hit return. Now our background image is now much smaller than it was before. I'm going to hit cancel and Command 1 so you can see actual size, and we'll come back and we're going to do something I've told you not to do. How exciting is that?